Equifax. How to increase Equifax credit score? In order to do that, you simply have to follow the steps in this video and don't miss any important point. The first thing you have to do is pay bills on time. Consistently paying your bills by their due dates is crucial. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score. Now, aim to lower your credit cards and other revolving credit accounts. Keeping your credit utilization ratio below 30% can boost your score. Each new credit card inquiry can slightly lower your score. Only apply for new credit when necessary. That's how you can avoid new credit inquiries. Maintain your old accounts. Keeping older credit accounts open can improve your credit history length, which positively affects your score. Check your credit card report. Regularly review your credit report for errors or inaccuracies that could be hurting your score. Dispute any errors with Equifax. That's how you can increase Equifax credit score.